Good day, please introduce me yourself.
I am Melissa Grace Laika Floresca, 29 years old. I am married and I have a daughter, aged 7 years old. 7 years old. I live in Villafugu, Aurora, Isabela. I have 3 brothers. I am the third child of the family. I am college level. I took Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir, but I work as housemaid in the Philippines for about 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, ages 3 and 6 years old, and my main duty are taking good care of the children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I'll check the temperature and I'll call my employer if needed.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have on my chest.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family and especially for my daughter.
Okay, if you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. when my work is done, and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be calmer dealing with them.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Hope you select me as your helper because I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. I promise to do my job and finish my 2 years contract.